I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming lug width and selecting a matching metal strap. This ensures a snug fit. Next, secure the watch face down on a microfiber to prevent scratches. Use the forked end of the spring bar tool to compress the spring bar inward. One quick, steady motion releases the pin. If tension is high, angle the tool slightly and apply uniform pressure. Once one side clears, gently lift the strap off and set pins in your tray to avoid losing them. You now size the metal strap by removing links. Put the watch on and pinch where it should sit to count links to remove. Use a pin punch or small screwdriver aligned with the arrow direction on links. Tap gently with a mallet if needed. Remove outer pins first, keeping orientation and order so reassembly is simple. Once pins are out, separate links and set aside in sequence. This preserves clasp alignment and makes reattaching straightforward when you reconnect them. You finish by reattaching the resized strap. Insert spring bars into the strap ends, align with lugs, compress the bar and seat one and then the other until you hear the click. Make sure the clasp sits centered and the band lays flat. Use micro-adjustment holes for fine-tuning. If you notice a rattle or loose pin, remove and inspect pin orientation and spring bar integrity. Replace damaged bars. Once secure, wear the watch and flex your wrist to confirm comfort and retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.